On the Iconic Connect the News show this week, has someone died in the British royal family? I did hear. Not seen much about it though. Seems to be being kept quiet. And then, in America, you have the Biden administration, you can call it a Biden administration, that's outrageously been exploiting the memorial for 9/11 and the 3,000 who died to push a political agenda to demonize tens of millions of Americans as domestic terrorists. And then TV soap operas have become a new way of programming perceptions in the population. And I'm talking about Coronation Street, EastEnders, and all the others, where they're putting storylines in the script to trash so-called conspiracy theories, but also to move people in a perceptual direction. And it's being used in a way that's now become highly significant in the perceptual programming of the population. That's the Connect the News show on Iconic from 10 a.m. every Saturday, UK, and you can take out a free trial with Iconic anytime you want.